Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of our Telegram account. First of all, you have to open your Telegram app on your phone, and if you want to log out of your Telegram account, you can click on this button on the top left corner of your screen. Then you have to click on settings right here. And after that, you can click on this three dots button and you can choose log out. And you can click on log out option right here. And you will get this question and just choose log out. And alright guys, that's how we can log out of our Telegram account. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.